So our client just brought us this 812 Superfast Ferrari, and it was covered completely in a satin paint protection film. We don't know what brand it is, but it gave the car a really odd looking orange pill, hazy look to it that obviously the customer didn't want. And so what the guys are doing over here is we're taking off all the old material and we're going to be reapplying our film, which is going to give the car an even, consistent look to it. One of the things you got to worry about with a satin paint job is that once it's scratched, it's scratched. You're not going to be able to repaint that fender or buff the scratch out like you could in just a gloss cleared car. So satin paint protection, 100% necessary on any factory satin painted car. And the paint is just so much better looking underneath this
and you can see it
material. A little cut mark, it's not too bad. The fact that this is painted in, that is just the most amazing artistic ability. Think about the stenciling, like how many layers. And then to sand and clear that, I would give them like a B- on the install. Like it's not,
this quarter vent.
it's not terrible. They didn't take anything apart. The idea when you spend money getting paint protection is that they're protecting your paint, not f***ing it up.
This hood is too big for any film that we have, so we broke it into pieces. We added the stripe as one, and then that's the second piece, but we matched them up so perfectly you can't even see the line. The last one they used their 60 roll up to here, and then had a nice ugly seam line right there that just covers the corner. It's just not the right way to do it.
That one I think is far enough. We just need to get this one, and I bet we can get it down far enough that we can
pull
bend
it down and out.
Yeah.
Okay. There it goes.
Yep.
Wait, these go on this side though. So you can put it that way. Okay. And to get the bolts, make it easier to go on like that.
Oh yeah. Good call. Yeah. Okay. There you go. I think that's as far as you're going.
These will move back a little bit.
Yeah, you might need to cut a little bit more than a little bit.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And then these go forward. And this is this heat shield.
That's made specifically for this car.
Hard track assist.
Yeah, that's the side. Oh.
Just push kind of hard, because. Okay, you got that right. Chad's notching out another plate for that.